In this video, I will be unboxing, setting up, and test driving my brand new scooter.
Hey guys, welcome to another Zambaleta. My name is Serge. I haven't done one of these in a while, but this is an unboxing of an electric scooter that I bought for myself for Christmas. It is 1,200 watts. It can hold up to 300 pounds. This actually would be right up the alley for me. It has a range of 50 miles and it can go 31 miles per hour. Giant, boys! Look at this thing! Oh my gosh! It's freaking huge! Okay, so we're going to go ahead and raise this and lock it in. Now we're going to attach this. What's important is that this wire, it's plugged in and that it actually goes in here correctly. All right, so that went right in. And now for this satisfying brand new sound. There is tools, which is awesome. And look, this is for the air pump. It's gonna align the bolt holes. And there's this Allen wrench over here at the bottom. Just have to pretty much tighten it. They just don't really tighten these things that good from factory. But it's nice that they include the Allen key for it. Oh wow, it's that size. That's cool. Everything I need is in this Allen key. Okay. Next, we need to scan these QR codes to get an app from Apple Store or from Google Play. And this is how you actually set this up through an app. It is fingerprint activated. So this is the app that they want you to get. We gotta get it downloaded and set up. So it appears to be that it's connected. Looks like we could actually put into sport mode, walk-in mode, comfort mode, normal mode. Let's see, fingerprint. So we're going to set up the fingerprint. I'm gonna put my name in here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and enter it.
So apparently I think it worked. So this is how you turn it on. It comes on. This is the charger. It came in this black box. To charge it, you just simply need to plug it in over here. And then plug it into the wall. Roughly 5 hours for full charge. This scooter has a horn. It's got turn signals. Look at that. You could turn on and turn off the light. And I guess like some kind of memory. So it's kind of cool, and you got a light in the back that goes on and off. The turn signals are kind of cool how they just slide from right to left like that. This brakes, it's got shocks. Very nice. 1200 watt scooter, 50-mile range. I mean, this is like a true commuter. It also has off-road capability. Okay, now we're going to add reflectors. So basically, you got a flat area here and a rounded area there. So both of these rounded go in the back. These have a flat sticker, so we're going to go ahead and add a reflector right here. It also has this protective film. You can go ahead and remove it like that. And now I'm gonna add this one. It's fun. I just got the scooter and it is awesome. 1200 watt motor, 50-mile battery range. I was excited that this scooter is fingerprint activated. As you can see, you press the fingerprint and it unlocks. Then I figured out this. You see how you still need to unlock it? You turn it off. All right, it's off. You turn it on. And now, any bump, you just ride it. So, kind of pointless there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really like my scooter. Let me know if you're getting one or if you got one. What do you think about that fingerprint reader? It looks like mine just, once you set it and turn it on and turn it off, it just resets itself and anyone could just steal your scooter. So I was kind of thinking, like, as a commuter, let's say you take this to a coffee shop and you activate the fingerprint through the app. That's where you have to actually activate it. And then somebody will just come up and steal it. Have a good one, guys. Bye.